If you want to enjoy higher video quality and smoother playback on YouTube, turning off data saving mode is a good option. Data saving mode limits video quality to reduce mobile data usage, but disabling it allows YouTube to stream videos in better resolution. Step 1. Start by launching the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are signed into your Google account so you can access all settings and preferences. Step 2. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture or U icon. This will open your account menu where you can manage app settings, subscriptions, and viewing preferences. Step 3. In the top right corner of the next screen, tap the gear-shaped settings icon. This section contains all the controls for notifications, playback, downloads, and data usage. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings menu page until you find the data saving option. Tap on it to open the data management settings for YouTube. Step 5. You will see a switch or toggle next to data saving mode. Tap the toggle so it moves to the off position. Once disabled, YouTube will no longer limit video quality to save data. After turning it off, you can stream videos in higher quality, including HD and 4K when available.